All right, so just got her in the mail. So we gotta try it out and unbox it. And I gotta pull this part out. Here we go. Oh, comes in its own case and everything. Oh, here she comes. Supposed to be a good one, right? Ta-da! All right, so here it is. And I think it goes like this. Then you sit on this part here because it's got like an indentation. So we'll try it out over here. We're gonna put it on. I'm gonna put it on this chair over here, like that, right? And then we'll try it set on it. See how it feels. Here goes nothing. You ready? Ooh, nice. Feels good. Oh yeah, that's great. So if you've got, you got situations going on with the, the downstairs, this thing could help. You just kind of set it like that, then you sit around it just like this. Just like this. Boom. Bam. Bob's your uncle. Ooh. So that kind of like, oh, that's not bad. Feels kind of good. So, yeah, that's it. What's nice about it is you can unzip it and clean this exterior. So if it gets dirty, all you do is unzip that right there and throw it in the washer because it is washable. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this. Peace out.